Buongiorno paesani. So I was eating some pistachios earlier and a childhood memory came to mind. Do you guys ever remember going and do a visit and on the ride there you get a whole lecture of how you have to behave, that they don't want you running around, they don't want you eating all the food and looking like you've never seen food before, and that you have to sit next to them and be polite and act like an angel and behave like an angel. So the whole ride there, you're getting a whole lecture, your head's this big. So, okay, you finally get to the visit and you politely say hello and you sit next to your parents and you're sitting there bored out of your mind. And then finally the food comes out. This is the main event of the visit. The food comes out, but you can't touch it. So you're looking at it and you're looking at your parents and you get the look. The look. Don't touch it. And the hosts are like, oh, the poor kid's shy. Oh, si vergogna. Piglia, piglia. And they make you a plate. They put some cookies and some chocolates and some nuts. And they put it right in front of you. So now the food's staring at you and you're staring at it. And you're like, I'm not supposed to eat it. And you look at your parents and they have this look like, you're not supposed to be eating that. But of course, to be polite, you're gonna eat it, and you're like in a jam because do I eat it because I was told not to eat it, but I was given it by the hosts. So okay, so you get the okay look like by your parents. So you eat it, and you're like, am I gonna die now? So you eat it, and you don't know what's gonna happen once you're in the car. So you're sitting there and you're counting your every bite saying, oh dear Lord, am I gonna die? Am I gonna die? And then of course, these hosts where you're doing the visit have children and they invite you to play. They're like, oh, come in the basement, come and play with us in the basement. And you're looking at your parents saying, no, it's okay. I'll stay here. I like staying next to my mommy and my daddy. And the hosts are like, and you're like, can I go play? Can I go play? And they're like, no, car's starting. And you're like, no, it's okay. Stay okay. And you're sitting there amongst adults, bored out of your mind, with that one plate of cookies and nuts and whatever, hoping that you won't get killed. And you see and hear all these kids having fun, and you're sitting there next to your parents saying, why was I even brought here if I'm just going to be a statue? So anyway, these are the stories that came to mind. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you had a laugh. I hope it brought back memories. That's it for now. Please subscribe to YouTube channel Italiani di Montreale Amici. I hope I didn't take up a lot of your time or too much of your time. And like always, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.